Congratulations Professor Yiling He. Awarded by Science Father Professor Yiling He. North China Electric Power University, China. Best Research Award. Yiling He is a distinguished professor and accomplished researcher in mechanical and electrical engineering at North China Electric Power University, serving as Vice Dean of the Department of Mechanical Engineering and Vice Dean of the Hebei Engineering Research Center for Advanced Manufacturing and Intelligent Operation and Maintenance of Electric Power Machinery. He has established himself as a leading authority in electromechanical systems, intelligent maintenance, and vibration engineering. As an IEEE senior member and recognized provincial talent, he has earned multiple prestigious awards and continues to advance power machinery research globally. Professor Yiling He pursued dual bachelor's degrees in mechanical and electrical engineering at North China Electric Power University, Baoding, graduating. He then earned a master's degree in mechatronics engineering, where his outstanding academic performance led to early graduation. Continuing at the same institution, he completed his PhD in power machinery and engineering, with his doctoral thesis recognized as an excellent dissertation by the university. His academic training laid a strong foundation for his expertise in advanced electromechanical systems and energy-related technologies. Yiling He began his academic career as a lecturer and advanced to associate professor. After years of impactful teaching, research, and service, he was promoted to full professor. He also gained international experience as an academic visitor in the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering at the University of Nottingham. Beyond his academic roles, he serves as Vice President and Secretary General of the Hebei Society for Vibration Engineering and contributes actively to several national and provincial research centers. His leadership has significantly shaped advanced research in electric power machinery and intelligent systems. Best wishes from World Electrical Engineering Awards and Science Father Group. Join our community. Subscribe now.